Okay, so
I can't see you,
I
by the way.
found somewhere safe and warm to sleep at the last couple
Were you kissing on the
nights.
side of the road?
Um,
Hey, do you remember when
I'm here now.
Do you remember the night we were going
I'm
out
here now,
and
and
we had babysitters for Callistus? Do you remember
I don't know how many days that we're gonna be here because it is snowing now. Um,
And they had the Akita they were giving us?
I do have plans to turn my storage space into like an office space, so I can get my actual office.
The cow dog walked
So
up.
that's what I'm gonna do.
We didn't know if it was friendly or not, so we jumped in the truck.
But yeah, so I guess I'm sleeping right here on this cot.
Oh my god, that was crazy.
It's a cot.
That was crazy.
And I just got my little bag.
Crazy shit's happening.
Clothes. So I'm still gonna go to work until I get to my new job area because I don't think I'm gonna stay that much longer with all that weird shit going on.
You've showed me pictures.
Because that is stalking and harassment that is going on. And that's clear as day. And I'm gonna keep documenting all of that. But anywho,
Yeah. Oh, you guys have a lot of slush.
yeah, so I was gonna take these braids out
Yeah, the worst storm's coming.
this month, but it's looking like they're gonna have to stay in. Okay, to further notice. But yeah, I did find somewhere safe and cozy. I'll vlog about my next area. But that's all I got to say right now. I'm about to lay down
I'm losing
and chill. Peace, love, and light. Good night.